Kartel. That's what I'm saying, bro. He's in a different league. And what is that's all I'm saying. That's what that's what I'm saying, you know. If I put Kartel, it's disrespectful to put him nowhere but one.
Icon of the year.
That's all I'm saying.
Okay, so we're all deciding we're removing Kartel.
Yeah, moving Kartel. Icon of the year goes to Vybz Kartel.
Yo, Gaza Nation, you see the little craft there? Where people have said, take Vybz Kartel out of it, take Vybz Kartel out of it. And the same craft like when them say, Vybz Kartel bigger than king. So make Bean Man stay with the crown because Vybz Kartel bigger than king. He in one league by himself. Gaza Nation, no man can fool with. You see me? Me I go explain it. This is real talk.
This is real talk.
Real talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
Yeah man, people, a DJ Dreadbeard with another episode of This is Real Talk. You see me? Remember, if a real talk me I make, like up the video, comment real talk in the comment section and subscribe if a real talk me I make. So yo, me telling you, this is one of the reasons why me need a bigger channel like DJ Dreadbeard channel. Me need it for each all 50k subs, and for when them man attack them things, bro, me are the rival for them, so them know what them attacks the next time. You notice him have a smug pan him face when him get everybody to agree say, yo, take Vybz Kartel out of it. The man them willing to put Vybz Kartel in our made up category, one category where nobody no recognize. Them just make it up and put Vybz Kartel in it. Like, yo, Vybz Kartel are icon of the year. There's no such thing as icon of the year. And if there was such thing of icon of the year, you wouldn't want to put him in it every year. You would have fight him out of it same way. So notice him have a little smug look on him face when him get everybody to agree. Say, yeah man, Vybz Kartel a legend, Vybz Kartel, a different category by himself. And then him get the whole panel to agree. Yeah man, I want a little dirty style, I want a little craft where dancehall, make the craft there, especially for Vybz Kartel, Yeah, same way like over there when the king argument are going and Vybz Kartel a get the crown. And you see, everybody run out, Irish and Chin, everybody. Just remember the little saga there. When everybody run out and I say, yo, Vybz Kartel is bigger than king. Vybz Kartel not forget no crown because he's bigger than king. Yeah, and the same craft they like. Remember, a king we recognize, We don't really recognize Pharaoh. We don't recognize Grunkard. We don't recognize no other name. We recognize king. So if them say Vybz Kartel, not forget the king because him bigger than king is a craft. So being a man would stay with the crown and forever be the king of dancehall while them give Vybz Kartel one made up category where nobody no recognize it. Remember when Billboard talk to you, Billboard say the king of dancehall, So if Vybz Kartel are the idiot and I say, yo, me bigger than king, me a world boss bigger than king. Then right now being a man would still a same a king. So I want craft, and the same craft there. The man them I use and them I say, yo, artist of the year, song of the year. Hear what? Take Vybz Kartel out of it because Vybz Kartel a legend. You see me? Yeah, so here we are going to give Mali Dan and we are going to give Skipper and we are going to give everybody else, but we're not going to give Vybz Kartel because Vybz Kartel are going to get it every year. Yeah man, I want a little craft, bro. Because watch this. Say Usain Bolt a race. We already know, like, the man them go in at the race and know, say, yo, Usain Bolt a go win. I like, yo, something have really happen, like one false start or him spraying him ankle or something. Some technicality make you have to win. So let's say you and Blake, I remember you and Blake in a ball and I say, yo, the reason why him are not the best in the country because of Usain Bolt, Usain Bolt overshadow him, So the man we are run for Canada and the man we are run for Australia and the rest of man them are going at the race to compete for second place, Because mentally, them know say yo, Usain Bolt will get the goal. So guess what? You see, you and Blake and the man from Canada and the rest of man them were race against Usain Bolt. Them a compete for second, bro. And the same thing in a dancehall, as long as Vybz Kartel a compete, as long as him in the arena, bro. The rest of man them were call Skipper and Mali Dan and Armani and all kind of name call. Them have to just settle for number 2, bro. Because Vybz Kartel are the number 1, him still a compete. I just saw it go. So the little style I wanna use, I say, yo, take Vybz Kartel out of it. Alright, you see, if when I never did I use one agenda, then we could agree with say Vybz Kartel versus the young youth them, take Vybz Kartel out of it and just the young youth them like Armani and so, because remember, you know, them are kids, you know, and Vybz Kartel is a monster. A monster versus a kid, bro, the monster will always win. So me understand, say you can't put the monster versus the kids them with just about a man who have a 2-year career and a 3-year career. But you see, Jeffrey and them man, they way I say that, them a say it with an agenda. Them not say it like an unbiased thing, like, yo, take Vybz Kartel out tight. So me understand, say, yo, sometime we can take Vybz Kartel out tight. But you see, true, the man them way I say don't like Vybz Kartel, we not take Vybz Kartel out tight because you think you're smarter than no man. You think you're smarter than no man, but ya. But take Vybz Kartel out tight. Bro, you don't know when. Yesterday little talk there. You don't know when to take Vybz Kartel out tight, and you don't know when to put Vybz Kartel in the conversation. You hear what I just say? The little talk when the man talk about take Vybz Kartel out tight, them know when to keep Vybz Kartel in the conversation, you know. I bet say if I did something where I work against Vybz Kartel, them would keep Vybz Kartel in the conversation. Let's say them a talk about, yo, who are the top 5 bands performer. Just hypothetically, you have a thing when who are the top 5 bands performer for the year. Them a put Vybz Kartel in it, bro. Them a put Vybz Kartel and say, yo, Vybz Kartel come 10. Or Vybz Kartel come last. So, you see when it a work against Vybz Kartel, them a go involve him in the conversation. You see when it work for him, them take him out tight. I remember, you know, I don't just know people do that, you know, and from Vybz Kartel, they are prison, you know, people say, yo, take Vybz Kartel out tight, take Vybz Kartel out tight. Vybz Kartel now our next league by himself. And you know, say, Gaza Nation used to fall feet too. Tell you, say, yo, no need a man like me on the internet where I work with psychology. Because enough of them money have some fish brain them use, you know. Bro, me remember when, before me turn a vlogger, bro, me remember when some other Gaza vlogger like Yeti Boss and them Monday, them used to say, yo, bro, take Vybz Kartel out there because them now say it like as a disrespect or like a agenda, you know, but them a say it like Vybz Kartel bigger than the rest of man them, so take Vybz Kartel out there. Who get artists of the year? I don't know people are do it, you know. I know Jeffrey are the first man do it, you know. A long time people are use the style where them a say take Vybz Kartel out there until Gaza man start do it too. But me nah do it, bro. Gaza Nation keep Vybz Kartel in it and look a dirty style where the man them have. Where them willing to take Vybz Kartel out of the convo, bro. But remember me tell you, me say this in the intro little while and I say it now in the closing. Bro, you see, if there was a thing when name Legend of the Year or Icon of the Year, like where you hear Jeffrey I say, yo, take Vybz Kartel out there. Vybz Kartel a legend or Icon of the Year. And him a clap and him a laugh and you see him with a big smile on him face. Bro, if there was a thing when name Legend of the Year, man would not tell us, say, yo, Beenie Man forget it. Bounty Killer forget it. Some name where the money and a call and I tell us say, yo, Vybz Kartel alone can get Legend of the Year every year. And that them would tell you know. But you see how them quick. You see how them quick to tell us say, yo, take Vybz Kartel out of the conversation. Vybz Kartel now a league by himself. We are going to make up one name game. Legend of the Year. Bro, because I want made up something where it not exists, why I don't drop him in that. But if it is real, you don't want to drop him in it. You see me? Yeah, man, so people, don't make them dopey body up on the internet fool, you know, because a long time I see the craft their work, you know. Yo, a long time I see the craft their work until I see it even work on some Gaza vlogger back in the days, you see me? Yeah, man, but people, we have reached the end of our next episode of This Is Real Talk, and yo, when you see the red arrow there, we are pointing to the video there, you can watch it, you see me, and comment if a real talk may I make. Like the video if a real talk may I make, you see me? And subscribe if a real talk may I make. DJ Dreadbeard, this is Real Talk, signing out.
This is Real Talk.
Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.